Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. My name is Nilesh Dudatra and this video is talk about the installation of Spring Boot editor. Now to install the Spring Boot editor you have to search at first STS on the Google. Now first link is a tools Spring. You have to click on the link. After that you have to download 4.8.0 Windows 64-bit because my operating system is 64-bit. So after you download the jar file, you have to double click on this file. You will be find out the folder STS 4.8.0 release. After that, you have to double click on the Spring Suite 4.exe. So after opening the exe file, it will ask about your workspace. For example, I am using C, then user, then Nilesh, then desktop, Spring, and my workspace. So all the projects will be stored in this on this folder. So after that, I am clicking on launch. So my Spring Tool Suite 4 has been loaded. So it will take some time. After that, so this one is a Spring Tool Suite. So boot dashboard I not required right now. Then problems I not required, and Java doc, then declaration and outlines I not required. So it will see later how to use. Right now I had required the console. Whatever we whatever we write system.out.println, it will be displayed in the console window. And if there is an error, then you will find out in the error log. Okay, and after that, then progress. Yes, this one is a necessary. Whatever the progress will be executed, will be done, it will be seen over here. So I'm right now I'm making one new project of a Spring Boot. So I'm clicking on file, then new, then Spring Starter project. So I'm clicking on the Spring Starter project. So if you don't have a STS toolkit, then you have, if you use my Eclipse, at that time you have to use this website. You can put this link on the browser and create the project according to your requirement, and you download and put in your Eclipse. So you will be able to execute the Spring Boot projects. So if in such case you have to use, you if you don't have a STS toolkit, in such case you have to go for that. But if you have a STS, then you can choose your file name. For example, the project name is as usual demo. Then you can use a type as a Maven and Gradle. So I choose Maven because it's very popular. Then jar and var, you can choose anyone, jar. So in programming language, so Java, Kotlin, and Groovy. So I'm selecting Java. Then the version of Java 8. Now the group name I'm selecting com and Nilesh, and the package. So I'm replacing example with Nilesh. So in this package, the main file will be when main folder has been written. So I'm next, and then yes, this one is a dependency. If you want to add any dependency, for example web, then you can choose directly from that Spring Web. So according to that, all the jar file will be included in your project. So you not need to copy and paste from the any space. Then if you want to use DB, so this one is a database related the drivers. So you can choose anyone. So right now I not required any kind of dependency. So And yes, this one is Spring Boot version. So different Spring Boot versions are there. So now 2.3.4 is a stable, and I had used 2.3.4, then finish. Yes, all the dependency has been included from the sites. So all the jar file has been downloaded from the web and put in my Maven project builder. So I'm extract my folder, then Maven depend. I'm clicking on Maven dependency. You can see all the jar file has been included in my project. So I had not to do any kind of copy paste and selecting any particular jar file or missing any jar file. Such kind of error has been not there. Then this one is a pom.xml file. So pom.xml file is used to describe the various dependency. If you want to add and remove the dependency, you can use the pom.xml file. So we will see the later the pom.xml file, use of the pom.xml file. Now I'm clicking on source, then main, and then Java. So as I mentioned during the start of my program, this project, so com.nilesh.demo, this one is a package name. So main folder has been in the Java file, demo application.java file. So this one is a main function. So I'm writing one simple line, system dot out dot println, and write simple hello world. So this one is a simple program. Let me execute the program. So how to execute the program at first? So at first right click on your project, then run as, then click on Spring Boot app. So this one is a step to execute the program. So all the jar file has been extracting, and after that the console start the Spring Boot server and hello world. Yes, so this one is the execution of a program. So if you want to put anything else, for example hello world, then this, then I love Java programming, then you have to at first terminate the server, right? Terminate the server. So your server has been terminated. After that you have to again run the server Spring Boot application. Let me check the output has been changed. Yes, it has been changed. So if you want to click on this button relaunch demo, then you can directly you not need to stop the server and again run this application. You can directly click on this button. You will be relaunched your application. So after the any kind of changing in the Java file, then you have to just click on simple this relaunch button. So your application has been relaunched. So thank you very much for watching this video. We will see more example in the later video. Thank you.